Hello, how to solve 6 power n equals 60. We are solving for the value of n that satisfies this equation. So, I have 6 power n equals 60 is simply 6 times 10. So what I'm going to do is to divide this by 6 and divide this by 6. 6 eliminates 6, so I have 6 power n divided by 6 equals 10. Now this 6 is raised to the power of 1. You have a power n divided by a power m. This equals a power n minus m. Applying this right here, what you are going to have is 6 power n minus 1, subtracting the exponent, and this equals 10. So you can make use of log. I have log 6 power n minus 1 equals log 10. Now what I can do is apply this property of log. If you have log a power p, this equals p log a. That means log 6 power n minus 1, I can take this over here, of n minus 1 times log 6. And this equals log 10. So what we can do is to divide by log 6, divided by log 6. Log 6 eliminate log 6. Else n minus 1 equals log 10 divided by log 6. Now what we can do is to move this negative 1 over here. We have n equals log 10 divided by log 6. This is plus 1. And if you have log a divided by log b, this equals log a to the base of b. So you have n equals log 10 to the base of 6 plus 1. So we leave our answer this way. Now the next thing we can do is to check. We have n equals log 10 to the base of 6 plus 1. Then that is it. So we substitute this for n in this equation. We have 6 power n equals 60. 6 power log 10 to the base of 6 plus 1 equals 60. Now if you have a power n plus m, this equals a power n times a power n. So what we are going to have will be 6 power log 10 to the base of 6, then 6 power 1 equals 60, and 6 power log 10 to the base of 6, so this will give us 10 here times 6 power 1, that is 6, equals 60, and 10 times 6, this is 60, and this equals 60. So guys, this is how you solve this exponential problem. In fact, you can also decide to take the log of both sides of this equation even before dividing it. You can as well do like that. You will still have the same answer. And something I need to explain to you is that log 10 is the same thing as 1. So we can as well write this answer. At this point, I can have my n equals log 10 is 1. I can have 1 divided by log 6, then plus 1. Have you seen that? So this is just like writing it this way. It's still the same thing, because log 10 is 1. This is log 10. Remember, every log is to the base of 10. So this is just like writing log 10 divided by log 10. And that is 1. Have you seen that? Because log is to the base of 10, while natural log is to the base of e. Have you seen that? So that is the difference between log and natural log. In fact, I think a lot of people will actually benefit in this particular case that I've used to demonstrate this. So that is it, guys. This is what you should know at this particular point. Thank you and goodbye.